a great choice today with the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes, security alarm, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, CD player, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, UCONNECT hands-free group. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.